IBM Quantum Experience puts real quantum hardware in your hands, so you can learn through experimentation. There's no installation required. Just sign in from any browser and get started. Begin learning with intuitive graphical programming. And as your skills grow, move on to coding using interactive notebooks. The graphical programming interface lets you see what's happening at the quantum level as you visualize states with different views. Inspect quantum circuits by stepping through them. Place built-in instructions or design your own. And run on real IBM quantum systems or simulators for faster results. As your skills grow, you can move to writing code in interactive notebooks with Qiskit, an open-source framework that expresses quantum concepts intuitively and concisely in Python. Using these tools, you can learn at your own pace while following an open-source textbook, getting started guides, and tutorials. There is no better way to start learning quantum computing. Get started now by visiting quantum-computing.ibm.com/docs.